Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SHIB update for Monday 13th of June, and right now we are looking at SHIB dropping to 828. In the previous videos I already talked about how SHIB is looking to come down here to the 753, and so far we are coming down to the 753 as well. So first thing is first, I just want to lay down the three black crows right now. So this is the bearish continuation pattern that you're looking for, and there's a good chance that we might still continue to drop today as well, make a bear flag like this, and then boom, continue to the downside. Now one technical target that has to be met is going to be 753 right over here, and potentially the second biggest technical target is the 490 level. I'm going to be looking to buy huge when SHIB actually does come to this level, but not with all my money, maybe just a little bit of investment, because I do probably want to start to dollar cost average on SHIB if it does come down to 470, 479, and potentially I'm going to talk about other different coins. So if you're not following the channel, I do suggest that you follow this one, join me in the Discord, because I'm thinking down the road of actually making one video where I'm gonna talk about some potential good coins that are good for dollar cost averaging in this dipping market, or the mini bear market you're gonna call it. I don't think that's the end of Bitcoin yet. Yes, we still have to see Bitcoin on $20,000 based on so many different factors right now. That's something possible, and that's the reason why I do think SHIB is going to actually drop all the way down to 476. But anyway, time will tell, but I'm expecting 753 as the first target, and potentially drop down to 488. But I do think you're going to find a little bit of support right there. Actually, let me do one thing, take this fib retracement levels, and we're going to see the fib retracements. So based on the fib retracement, the 1.414 is already at the 761, the place that I'm actually marking off, but it's possible to actually wick down here to 695. So what I'm going to do is actually bring it to 695, and that's where it's possible to actually come down and find support. And we're going to talk about the future targets as well if we're looking to down to the downside. And that's it for today's update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.